Hi, my name's Asia, and I'm the inventor of FretMaps. All right, so this is installation video number 3 of the FretMaps. There was a first part of this where I just taught you how to get your strings off. There's a easy version, if you haven't seen that video, where you just pop your FretMaps on. You don't need to do anything to your strings. And then there's kind of like a medium video where you're gonna loosen your strings, detune them, put your FretMaps on, and then retune them. So this is the most lengthy version, and I recommend it if you need new strings. FretMaps, you're gonna have 2, because 1 is just for your peace of mind if anything goes wrong. Probably won't, but just in case. Peel off the 1. Left-handed people, there's a left-handed FretMap, and do it the other way around. Sorry, I'm not left-handed. Okay, so you've got your nut. This metal piece is called fret 1, and then you're gonna just install this. So easy because we don't have strings on here. You're just gonna line up. Oh, do you want down? Here you go. Okay, so then line it up. E with E, and 1 flap at the top. That's your fret number. Fold it, and then this is your playability flap. You're gonna fold that. Okay, that's gonna keep all these stickers from kind of fraying and kind of poking up, which we don't want. You're gonna have these on here for number 2. You're gonna have these on here for as long as you want. I recommend up to a year to give yourself to learn the fretboard. Line up the F sharp, G flat, the 2. So say you wanna learn your number 3. So you want to learn how to do this in a year, memorize your fretboard, go ahead and take off 1 fret every month. There's 12, so perfect. Number 3, boom. I'm just going to talk to you while we do this. Moving on to number 4. So if you want to do that, if a year seems like too long and you have more ambitious goals for yourself, say you want to do it in 6 months, then every 2 weeks, remove a fret map and start memorizing that fret. And look at that. Number 5 is all white, which means there's no flats and no sharps on any of the strings on fret 5. Hold it. These are removable, so even if you put these on here and you want to move them around, or one of them looks funny or whatever. Number 6. Line it up. You can take them off and move them around. And don't forget, you have that second copy too, in case one gets like mangled or something. But if you're doing, number 7, if you're doing this version where the strings are off, it's the easiest one to put them on. It just takes the longest. You're probably not gonna have any trouble. The trickiest one is to not loosen your strings and do it on an electric guitar. 8. Depends how far your strings are from your fretboard. Okay. Number 9. Okay. Line it up. Fold your 9 tab, boom, boop. And the reason, number 10, that it goes to 12 is because then you have a full octave. The strings with no frets start with an open note, like string 1 is E. And then once you get up to fret 12, it's E again, kind of like this. Number 11. Ooh, look at 11. It's the the only fret between 1 and 12 that's all sharps and flats. So cool. All right. And the last one, keep this on hand. Even when you take them all off, this is a great thing to have so that you can kind of like look at it. Maybe you like forget one or something. And then also, you know, if there's a mistake or you need to replace one or something like that. Number 12. Number 12 is all white. Like 5 and like 10. So cool. And you're ready to go. The next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to put your strings back on. But you can totally now take this into a guitar shop and have them put new strings on it for you. Yeah.